Hello people, I'm Hamza here from the Health Times, and in this video we're gonna learn how to install Windows 8 through your USB flash drive. Before we get started, you need to consider having some things like you should have an DVD for your Windows 8, or you should have an installable ISO file for your Windows 8. If you have that, then skip this step in which I will show you that how you can get Windows 8 consumer preview if you don't have an DVD or an ISO file for Windows 8. Just go to Google and type in Windows 8 consumer preview there, and the second link is pretty much what you need, and that will lead you to this page where you can click on get it now, and you will see all the downloadable files. Here is what you need. You can select either 64-bit, 32-bit, whatever your machine supports. After clicking on download, the download will start, and let it download that file. After that, you need to install an official Windows Microsoft tool, which is Windows Download Tool. Just go to Google and type in Windows Download Tool, and the first one link is what you need, and it will lead you to this page where you just need to click open to just start downloading. I have downloaded all these things, so after you done that, you just need to make your USB bootable and copy your file contents to your USB. If you don't have an ISO file, because Windows 7 USB download tool supports just ISO files, and it will use that to write on your flash drive. So if you don't have an ISO file and you have a DVD file containing files, so what you have to do is you need to select all those files and convert them to an ISO file. If you don't know how to do that, I will give a link to an article which will show you how to do that. Okay, that being said, let's just do the practical work. Okay, we have downloaded the file here, which is Windows 8 ISO file, and sometimes you get an error. I will show you. That is also an important thing to consider. And here is that Windows 7 USB download tool. You need to open it first, and now you need to select the file that you want to copy to your flash drive. And as you can see here, I have that flash drive which I need to boot. So I will go to desktop where I have placed my Windows 8, and I will select it, and it will probably give you an error. As you can see, the selected file is not a valid ISO file. So how to fix it? As I have an Power ISO, so it's a very simple process to fix this problem. You just need to open that image with a Power ISO and go to File and Image Properties. Here you have to just select on Juliet. Click on Save. The file already exists. Do you want to overwrite? Just click Yes, and it will take a matter of seconds, and it will save that file. Let me just skip this process for you. I'll be back when it's done. Now it's been saved, and let's just go back to that process again. I will just again click on Browse, go to Windows 8 and select it and press on Next. Yeah, you see, I just solved an problem, and now we can proceed to next step. Just click on USB device and select which USB device you want to use, and click on Begin Copying. It's saying that there's not enough space in your USB. I will have to format in over there to copy the file. Just click on Erase File and yes. Now the process has begun, and now Microsoft Store Windows 7 USB tool is copying Windows 8 files to your USB and making it bootable at the same time. Now it's formatting. After formatting, now it's copying files. It will take some time depending on your computer speed. After this process is complete,